It's like the story of the hippo.
I'm not familiar with that story.
The hippopotamus, he is not one going, cool bean, I am a hippo. No way, Jose. So he tried to paint the stripe on himself to be like the zebra, but he fooled no one. Then he tried to put this spot on his skin to be like the leopard, but everyone know he is a hippo. So, at a certain point, he look himself in the mirror, and he just say, hey, I am a hippopotamus, and there is nothing I can do about it. And as soon as he accepts this, he live life happy. Happy as a hippo. You understand?
I'm gonna kill you!
Show 'em how we build a spot. Let's make it hot for shock. But with the body rock, so the party stops. It's time to take it up a notch and keep it locked for all the headbangers in the parking lot. Here we come, if you're ready or not. No time to talk, cause we on the clock. Bringing the to your block. Let me show you where we coming from. And don't stop from LA to New York. Show me what you got now. All I know is what it did take to make this. All I am is what it will take to break this. All I know is what it did.
Hey! He's coming towards us! Why is Jeff coming after us?
Crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. My master's gone away.
You smell kind of pretty. Wanna smell me?
Just because your mom is a stupid bitch doesn't mean the whole world has to suffer.
Well, you would know, liar.
That's interesting.
Hey, Carmen, did you bring us money from your mom? Yeah, right. You guys can kiss my black ass. Don't be such a butthole. These guys are my best friends. They're thick and thin. We've always been together. We're four of a kind, having fun all day, palling around and laughing away. Just best friends. Best friends are we. I love you guys. Sorry, Carmen. We like evil Carmen better. See ya. What?
We interrupt this program to annoy you and make things generally irritating.
Death awaits you all with nasty, big, pointy teeth. But I don't want any of that. I'm getting better.
No, you're not. You'll be stone dead in a moment.
I'm the evil midnight bomber. What bombs at midnight? Ah!
Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts.
Chocolate? Chocolate! 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 Run away! Run away! Run away!
Everybody dance now! Everybody dance now!
You're going down, Tubby.
Tubby? Nobody calls me Tubby!
Owned!
Hey, Caboose! Have you seen my grenade? Yes! I put it in my pants!
Ah! Hello. You felt like 40 stories! And would you believe that at the bottom of those 40 stories was a crate full of marshmallows? No. And you'd be right. So how did you live? Love. 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 Whose love? Your love. My love. Mm-hmm. What the hell are you talking about? I don't really know. I hit my head pretty hard when I landed. Do you remember the mission? To ensure the survival of John Connor. Close enough. Anyway, I think it's time for a marshmallow ride. Marshmallows! Ah!
Oopies.
Look at my sexy body.
I don't know what we're yelling about! It's a baby! Liar!
I feel dizzy. I can't feel my torso.
Now, whose ass I gotta kick to get myself a beer?
My body is trying to die.
Couldnt! Yes, sir! Scream like a woman! Can do!
I'm getting goose pimples.
Shake your ass, but watch yourself. Shake your ass. Show me what you're working with. Shake your ass, but watch yourself.
Did you hear that?
You're fucking weird.
Let's go drink some beer!
Oh, bloody hell.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Thank you and good night.
So if we all come together, we know what to do. We all come together just to sing we love you. And if we all come together, we know what to do. We all come together just for you.
When you say no